Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to edit your Wix site menu. First, log into your Wix account and head to your site's dashboard. From there, click the Edit Site button to launch the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens for your website's design. Once inside the editor, look to the left sidebar for the menus and anchor icon. It's usually represented by a list or navigation symbol. Clicking this will open up your site's menu options, ready for customization. Now that you're in the menu panel, click Manage Menu to see all your site's pages. You can easily drag and drop items to reorder them, changing their position in your navigation. To add a new page, simply click the Add Page button. You can also create subpages by dragging one page slightly to the right beneath another, forming a clear hierarchy. If you need to rename a menu item, just click the three dots next to it and choose Rename to update its title. Beyond just organizing, you can also customize your menu's appearance. Select the menu directly on your site and then click the Design icon that appears. Here, you'll find many preset designs to choose from, or you can dive into custom options. You can change colors, select different fonts, and adjust the spacing between menu items. Experiment with various layouts, alignments, and even add subtle animation effects to make your menu truly stand out and match your brand's aesthetic. Wix automatically saves your work regularly, which is super helpful. However, it's always a good idea to manually save your site often, especially after making significant changes, to ensure no work is lost. Once you're happy with your menu edits, click the prominent Publish button located at the top right of the editor. This action makes all your changes live and visible to your website visitors. Remember, you can always return to the editor, make more adjustments, and simply republish to update your live site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.